Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video I am going to be showing you something that would work wonders, a miracle in your body. Like it's going to respond rapidly when you take this. Well, they are actually something you take in your kitchen like every day or every other day. Now taking these things would make you make you smart. It has so many benefits which you are going to be knowing in this video. So if you want to know what my treatment is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. The first ingredient we're going to be needing for this remedy or treatment is garlic. Now garlic is used for many conditions related to the heart and blood system. This condition include high blood pressure, low blood pressure, high cholesterol, inherited high cholesterol, and coronary heart disease, heart attack. It reduces blood flow due to it helps to reduce blood pressure. Antioxidants that protect against cells damage and aging. The combined effect of reducing cholesterol and blood pressure as well as antioxidant property may reduce the risk of common brain diseases. Okay, so garlic is actually very good for the body. It helps for cold, it also helps for catarrh, it helps to remove excessive stored and stubborn fats. Alright, so garlic, we're going to be using it so much. It's going to be our main ingredient for this. And the next ingredient that we need is honey. Honey is high in antioxidants. It also helps to control diabetes. The antioxidants in honey can help lower blood pressure. Honey also helps to improve cholesterol. Honey can lower the risk of arthritis, and it's also beneficial for the body. Honey is less bad than sugar for diabetic patients. So to prepare our garlic, we're going to be cutting the head and also cutting the bottom part. Of course, sometimes I can be very extreme horrible in describing things, but I hope you guys understand. Alright, so we're going to be peeling this off. 2 cloves of garlic will be okay. Alright, so we don't actually need much of the garlic. We need just 2 cloves. 2 cloves of it will be okay. But if your garlic is actually bigger than what I have here, you can just use 1. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is to chop this garlic. Like you have to cut it in a very small, tiny. You have to be careful if you're not used to cooking. Okay, for me, I'm so freaking used to cooking, and that's why I can cut this garlic even while closing my eyes. Alright, so you have to put your knife in between like this, and then press it down, and then you slice it. Alright, so I am actually doing it this way so it can be, it can go tiny. Alright, so that's it guys. Now you're just going to be transferring this into into a small bowl. Just like what I have here. I hope you can see that. Yeah. Alright, now we're just going to be putting in the honey. This looks yummy. Alright, so after that you can just take this into your spoon. If you have more of the honey, you'll add more of it. Okay. Well, this small quantity is gonna be okay because you're just gonna be eating this. Alright, let me take that. Alright, for those who can't take garlic, like I promise you, if you try to take this, you're just going to see the results in few days. If you're having arthritis, cold, cholesterol, stored fat, if you're used to taking this, you know, in an empty stomach in the morning, it's just going to help you so much. Okay, for male, I would recommend you take this because it's also going to be helpful for erection. All right, so it's just going to be perfect for that. Okay, so that's it, guys. You have to take this at most 3 times in a week, because garlic is something that is edible. You can even take it every day if you so please, but you have to take it in a time that you've actually not brushed your mouth, so that when you finish taking it, you have to go and brush your mouth because of the garlic smell. Okay, so people won't run away from you and be like, whoops, he or she is smelling garlic. Anyway, guys, this is actually very good, so I recommend you take this. And also, when you take it, you have to, you know, try to listen to your body and see how effective this would be. Okay, so eating garlic and honey every day, well, or 3 times in a week would do you a lot of good. Like if you're a man and you're aiming to be very active, to be very agile in the other room, you know what I mean, with your partner, you know, cultivate the habit of taking garlic and honey and you are good to go. All right, this is actually very good, very good. Okay, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram. I would love to see you there. Alright, bye guys.